Meaning of ethnography.
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 Ethnography. Ethnography is a qualitative research method used to study cultural practices and beliefs of groups of people. Ethnographers observe, interview, and engage with members of a community to gain insights into their way of life and social interactions. The result of ethnographic research is a detailed description of the culture being studied, including its customs, traditions, and values. This information can be used to understand and contextualize the experiences of different groups of people, inform policy decisions, and help bridge cultural divides.